Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix beta updates and not showing an iPhone. If you're using an iPhone, you're facing the issue that in your software update section, you're not seeing or your beta updates are not showing. So let's see how can you fix the issue. So now to enable beta updates, you just have to go back and open your browser. In your browser, you have to just try to create your new account on Apple Developer website. Just search here for Apple Developer. And here, just open the first website of Apple Developer. Now just scroll down and look for iOS 26. Just select it. And then tap on two horizontal lines in the top left. Tap on Account. Now on this screen, just try to sign in with your Apple ID. If you already have your Apple ID, so you can use that to log in here. Or you can also tap on the sign in with passkey option if you don't have any Apple ID. So you can select this create your Apple account option to create a new Apple ID. Let's say I'm gonna sign in with my passkey here. Now you can easily use your passkey, your Face ID, your Touch ID, or your Apple ID, your Apple passcode. Once you have done, just wait for the loading and your account will be created just after 2 or 3 prompts. So once you get at this type screen, your Apple developer account is now ready and your beta updates are successfully enabled. Just go back and open your settings app, go to general, go to software update, and you might get beta updates here. Just select beta updates option and just select iOS 26 developer beta or iOS 26 beta to enable beta updates. Then go back and you might get your beta update here. So in this way, you can easily fix if your beta updates are not showing. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.